Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to fix or how to troubleshoot if your Verizon internet is not working. Okay, so my dear friends, there is two methods by which you can fix this issue. The first method is like you need to unplug your router cables. So when you see at the back side of your router there are some cable connected. Okay, you need to unplug each and every cable, like your power cable, like your internet cable, like your some other cables which is attached. You need to unplug. Okay, and you need to replug your each and every cable, and once you re-plug your each and every cable you need to wait for some time. Okay, once you wait for some time, approx 10 to 20 seconds, then you need to restart your router, or we can say you need to restart your router. Okay, once you restart your router you have to wait for approx 1 minute or 2 minutes, and after 1 or 2 minutes it will automatically fix, and that's it. If the problem is still work, you can say like still exists, what you have to do, you need to contact with the customer support team and you need to tell them that your internet is not working. If there is a service outage in your area, they will guide you. If there is other issue related to billing and all, then they will also guide you. Then you can tell them what is the main issue. They will guide each and everything and they will fix this problem at their end. And by using this method you can easily fix this issue. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the answer of your question. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.